NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has hardly opened its eyes, and the universe is new.
Millions of years ago, human life on Earth began in caves. Who knows, maybe years down the line, we could say the same about humans on the moon.
The moon, our closest celestial neighbor, has long been a subject of fascination. But recent revelations from the James Webb Space Telescope have unveiled something shocking. Deep beneath the surface of the far side of the moon, a massive structure has been discovered, sparking theories that could forever alter our understanding of this celestial body. What is this enormous structure, and what could it mean for the future of lunar exploration? Eyes of the universe. The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, is not just a leap forward in space exploration, it's a technological marvel. Its infrared capabilities allow it to look deeper into the universe than ever before, uncovering distant galaxies, black holes and stars in their infancy. But what if the JWST's most astounding revelation wasn't billions of light years away, but just a few 100,000 kilometers from Earth? The moon, our nearest celestial neighbor, has been studied extensively by humans since the dawn of space exploration. Yet, despite all the attention it has received, much of its deeper mysteries remain unexplored. With cutting-edge technology, scientists have now discovered an anomaly on the far side of the moon, an anomaly so large and so mysterious that it challenges everything we thought we knew about Earth's most familiar satellite. The James Webb Telescope, which is designed to capture far-off cosmic phenomena, has also been trained on objects much closer to home. The telescope's infrared sensors have detected something massive and unnatural buried beneath the surface of the moon's far side. The discovery came as a surprise, even to the most seasoned astronomers. While the JWST was primarily tasked with exploring distant galaxies, its mission also encompassed our own solar system, and the moon, once thought to be well mapped, was a perfect subject. Could this massive structure be an alien base, an ancient artifact, or simply a geological anomaly? Whatever the answer, this discovery could change the way we view the moon and our place in the universe. The far side of the moon, a world of secrets. The far side of the moon is a place of mystery, even though it is just as close to us as the side we can see. For centuries, it remained a dark, unknown expanse. In fact, the term dark side of the moon is misleading. The far side of the moon simply never faces Earth due to tidal locking, a phenomenon where the moon rotates on its axis at the same rate it orbits Earth. As a result, only the near side of the moon is visible to us from the surface. Throughout history, the far side of the moon has inspired countless theories, some more fantastical than others. Ancient civilizations have linked the moon to gods and legends, often imagining it as a place of mystery and danger. With the advent of space exploration, however, the moon was no longer a mythical object in the sky, but a physical body that we could explore. The first real view of the far side of the moon came from the Soviet Union's Lunar 3 spacecraft in 1959. Since then, various space agencies have attempted to map and explore this hidden hemisphere, but it wasn't until the 2019 Chang'e 4 mission that humanity landed on the far side for the first time. The Chinese Space Agency's successful soft landing on the moon's far side was a historic moment, and it reignited curiosity about this mysterious land. But it wasn't until the JWST trained its powerful infrared sensors on the moon that a truly astonishing discovery was made. Beneath the surface of the far side, scientists detected an enormous dense structure buried several miles deep within the lunar crust. This structure was too large to be explained by natural geological processes like volcanic activity or impact cratering. Some scientists are now considering the possibility that this could be an artificial structure, something that was placed on the moon by an advanced civilization, possibly long before humanity even existed. The far side of the moon has always been a place of speculation and imagination, but now, the discovery of this massive structure brings new credibility to the theories of a hidden lunar civilization or an ancient extraterrestrial base. What could this structure be? Was it built by alien life forms? Or is it the remnants of something far older and more mysterious than we could have imagined? Could this discovery on the moon's far side be proof of an ancient lunar civilization? Or is it a natural feature of the moon's complex geological history? The structure beneath the moon. a monumental discovery. In early analysis, researchers found that the structure buried beneath the Moon's surface is not only enormous, but it exhibits some peculiar properties that cannot be easily explained. Using a combination of infrared imaging from the James Webb Telescope and gravity measurements taken by orbiting spacecraft, scientists have pinpointed this massive object. It is unlike anything we've encountered on the Moon so far. The sheer size of the structure is staggering. Initial estimates suggest that it spans an area larger than most of the largest cities on Earth. The gravity readings indicate that the object is unusually dense compared to surrounding lunar material, which is further evidence that it may not be a natural formation. Some of the most advanced theories put forward by scientists suggest that this object could be the remnants of a massive ancient structure, possibly built by a civilization far more advanced than ours. The object's features are far too symmetrical to be the result of a random geological process. It appears to have been intentionally constructed, with features that suggest a design far beyond anything nature could have created. This could be an enormous, underground city, or a scientific installation, built long before human exploration reached the Moon. One of the most compelling theories is that this structure was not only built, but that it might still be intact. Some researchers propose that it could house ancient technology, waiting to be discovered by the next generation of lunar explorers. If this is the case, then the Moon is not only a silent observer in Earth's history, it could hold the key to unlocking a deeper, more complex history of life beyond our planet. Could this massive symmetrical structure be proof of a long-forgotten civilization? Or is it a strange geological anomaly that challenges our understanding of the Moon? Alien bases or geological wonders? With such a mysterious structure lying beneath the surface, it's no surprise that the theories surrounding it are as varied as they are intriguing. Some of the most exciting possibilities have come from those who believe in extraterrestrial life. Could this massive structure be the remnants of an alien base, hidden deep within the Moon for eons? The idea of an alien base on the Moon has been a staple of UFO theories for decades, but it is only now, with the discovery of this strange structure, that the possibility seems more plausible than ever. If this structure is truly artificial, then it could be the work of extraterrestrial beings who once inhabited the Moon, or perhaps used it as a base for interstellar exploration. On the other hand, some researchers are more cautious in their interpretations. They argue that the structure could be a natural geological feature, the result of an ancient impact or volcanic activity. The Moon's surface is pocked with craters and scars from cosmic collisions, and it is not entirely out of the realm of possibility that the structure is an ancient, natural formation that has yet to be fully understood. However, one thing is clear. The discovery of this massive structure has reignited the debate over whether the Moon could have once been home to life, alien or otherwise. Could this structure be proof of an ancient alien presence on the Moon, or is it a product of natural geological forces? The mystery deepens with every new theory. Gravity measurements. While infrared imaging provided the initial clue, gravity measurements have been crucial in pinpointing the exact location and scale of the mysterious structure. These measurements reveal a gravitational anomaly that can only be explained by something large and dense beneath the surface. Unlike the relatively uniform gravity readings on the Moon's near side, these readings suggest that a massive object, possibly metallic or made of denser materials, is buried deep beneath the Moon's far side. The importance of gravity measurements cannot be overstated. Without this data, the structure might have remained undetected. The anomalies in the gravitational field suggest that the object is so massive that it exerts a measurable influence on the surrounding lunar landscape. These measurements are not only critical to understanding the structure's size, but also its composition. Could this be a remnant of a long-lost civilization, or simply a geological feature formed by impact craters and seismic shifts? For now, scientists continue to analyze the data, hoping to uncover more information about the structure's true nature. As technology advances, future missions to the Moon may provide more answers, and perhaps even reveal the structure in greater detail. What can we learn from these gravity anomalies, and how might they unlock the secrets of the Moon's hidden past? Could the Moon have hosted life? Throughout history, the Moon has been at the center of numerous myths and legends. Many ancient cultures viewed the Moon as a divine entity, with some even speculating that it was home to gods, spirits, or beings of otherworldly origin. But could these myths hold some truth? Is it possible that the moon was once inhabited by an advanced civilization, long before humans ventured into space? The idea of a lunar civilization is not as far-fetched as it might seem. The discovery of the massive structure beneath the moon's surface lends some weight to the hypothesis that the moon may have been the site of an ancient advanced society. If such a civilization existed, what might have happened to it? Could it have been wiped out by a cataclysmic event, or did it simply vanish into the annals of history? One of the most exciting possibilities is that this civilization could have left behind traces of its existence, buried beneath the moon's surface. These traces could include advanced technology, remnants of buildings, or other artifacts that could provide vital clues about the origins of life beyond Earth. Could the moon have once been a thriving hub of life, or is this just a product of human imagination? Only time and technology will tell. The future of lunar exploration. The future of lunar exploration has never been more exciting. While the discovery of the massive structure beneath the surface of the moon's far side is a game-changer, it's only the beginning. The James Webb Space Telescope, with its advanced capabilities, is opening doors to previously unimaginable possibilities. This groundbreaking discovery is the first of many that could reshape the entire field of space exploration. With JWST's ability to detect faint infrared signatures and map even the most distant objects in our solar system, the telescope will continue to reveal new information about our closest celestial neighbor. But the true potential of lunar exploration lies in the combination of cutting-edge technology and bold new missions to the moon. Lunar exploration is entering a new golden age, with agencies like NASA, ESA, and private companies working together to push the boundaries of space travel. One of the key aspects of the moon that remains largely unexplored is the far side. With more lunar missions planned in the coming years, scientists hope to send even more advanced rovers and landers to the moon's far side. These missions will help further uncover the mysteries of this distant region and possibly reveal more clues about the massive structure discovered by the James Webb Telescope. As technology improves, we may soon have the tools to drill deeper into the lunar surface, providing us with physical samples that could help confirm the structure's nature. Could this structure be an artifact of a long-forgotten lunar civilization, or is it something more unexpected? An artifact from the moon's violent past, hidden from the world's gaze for millions of years. The next phase of lunar exploration will focus on understanding the moon's geology in more detail. Drilling down to greater depths will not only help us understand the structure discovered by the JWST, but also offer insight into the origins of the moon itself. By studying the moon's crust, scientists can learn about the early history of our solar system and perhaps uncover even more anomalous features. As space agencies look toward returning humans to the moon, it's possible that lunar exploration will soon lead to the most significant discoveries in modern science. The discovery of a colossal structure beneath the moon's surface is just the beginning of what promises to be an exciting era for space exploration. What new technologies and discoveries will future lunar missions bring? And what will we uncover when we finally investigate the far side in person? Uncovering the moon's secrets together. Lunar exploration is no longer a task for a single nation to tackle. The unprecedented nature of the moon's secrets requires the expertise and collaboration of space agencies from around the globe. As the James Webb Space Telescope continues to send back invaluable data on the moon's surface and hidden structures, international partnerships will play a vital role in making sense of these revelations. In the past, lunar missions have largely been the domain of superpowers. The US Apollo missions, the Soviet Union's lunar program, and China's Chang'e missions have all contributed significantly to our knowledge of the moon. But as interest in lunar exploration continues to grow, we are seeing more cooperation between countries that were previously competitors in space. For example, NASA's Artemis program, which aims to return astronauts to the moon by 2025, is collaborating with the European Space Agency, ESA, and other international partners. These collaborations will allow for shared knowledge and resources, accelerating the pace of exploration. Private companies like SpaceX are also working alongside governmental agencies, pushing the boundaries of space travel and technology. The discovery of the massive structure beneath the moon's far side could be a unifying factor for international cooperation. The structure's potential significance is too great for any one nation to claim as its own discovery. With the involvement of various nations, there is hope that the combined expertise and resources can provide clearer answers to the many questions this mysterious structure raises. In the coming years, we can expect to see a concerted effort from space agencies around the world to explore the moon's far side in greater detail. This will likely include sending astronauts to this region for the first time, setting up permanent lunar bases, and launching deeper exploration missions that could answer many of the questions surrounding the moon's history and potential. The role of international collaboration in lunar exploration cannot be overstated. With the combined knowledge, expertise, and resources of multiple countries, we are poised to make monumental discoveries that will shape the future of space exploration for generations to come. What could international collaboration reveal about the moon's hidden structure, and how will it reshape the future of space exploration? The mystery deepens. As research into the massive structure on the moon's far side continues, one question looms larger than all the others. What lies beneath? While the James Webb Space Telescope's initial findings have been groundbreaking, the structure itself remains shrouded in mystery. Its size, density, and unnatural appearance have confounded experts, but no one knows for sure what it truly is. Some scientists argue that the structure could be a massive underground impact crater, created by a catastrophic collision with a comet or asteroid millions of years ago. This theory would explain the strange gravitational anomalies detected by spacecraft orbiting the moon. If an impact of such magnitude occurred, it could have caused the dense metallic core detected beneath the surface. Others suggest that the structure could be the remnants of an ancient lunar city or outpost, perhaps built by an advanced extraterrestrial civilization. The idea of alien life using the moon as a base is not a new one. Theories have existed for decades, ranging from ancient astronaut hypotheses to more modern speculations based on unexplained lunar features. Could this structure be proof that extraterrestrial life once visited or even inhabited the moon? Another possibility is that the structure could be a result of natural geological processes that we don't yet fully understand. The moon's history is marked by violent cosmic impacts, and the formation of complex underground structures may be the result of unique seismic activity that occurred billions of years ago. The moon's surface is pockmarked with impact craters, but the features we are seeing now are unlike anything seen before. No matter what the truth turns out to be, one thing is clear. The discovery of this structure opens up an entirely new field of study. As technology continues to advance, future missions may be able to probe deeper into the moon's surface and uncover more about its hidden history. This discovery may only be the first in a series of incredible revelations about the moon and its true role in the history of our solar system. Could the structure be the result of an ancient impact, a lost civilization, or something even more extraordinary? As research continues, the mystery only deepens. What does the moon really hold? The moon has always been a symbol of mystery, from ancient myths to modern space exploration. As our technology advances, we are peeling back the layers of this celestial body, revealing secrets that were once thought impossible to uncover. The discovery of a massive structure on the moon's far side is a groundbreaking moment in our quest to understand our nearest neighbor, and possibly the entire solar system. Whether this structure is the result of an ancient impact, an extraterrestrial base, or an unknown geological feature, the implications of this discovery are profound. As scientists continue to investigate the moon's hidden past, we may soon uncover truths that challenge everything we thought we knew about the moon and life beyond Earth. The moon may hold more secrets than we ever imagined. What will the next generation of space explorers uncover in the depths of our nearest neighbor? The role of space agencies in unraveling lunar mysteries. As humanity's curiosity continues to drive us into space, the role of space agencies like NASA, ESA, and others in unraveling lunar mysteries becomes increasingly important. The discovery of a massive structure on the moon's far side has piqued the interest of space agencies worldwide, signaling a new era in lunar exploration. NASA's Artemis program, which aims to land the first woman and next man on the moon, is one of the most ambitious space missions ever undertaken. Scheduled for the next few years, Artemis will establish a sustainable human presence on the moon by the end of the decade. providing an unprecedented opportunity to investigate the structure discovered by the James Webb Space Telescope. This is an exciting step forward, not only for space exploration, but also for the pursuit of knowledge about the Moon's past and its potential role in humanity's future in space. NASA is collaborating with the European Space Agency, ESA, Japan's JAXA, and other international space agencies to ensure the success of Artemis. With the combined expertise and resources of multiple nations, these missions will likely take the first direct steps toward investigating the massive anomaly detected beneath the surface of the Moon's far side. ESA has its own lunar ambitions as well. Their Lunar Gateway program aims to build a space station in lunar orbit that will serve as a staging point for missions to the Moon and beyond. This station will allow for the detailed study of the Moon's surface and provide a platform for future lunar landings. With the Gateway's help, astronauts may finally be able to explore the far side of the Moon in greater detail, possibly unlocking the secrets surrounding the structure detected by JWST. China, too, has become a major player in lunar exploration. The Chang'e 4 mission, which landed a rover on the Moon's far side in 2019, showed the world that exploring the hidden side of the Moon is not only possible, but essential. China has expressed plans for additional lunar exploration missions, which may include a return to the far side to investigate the anomalies detected by JWST. With this collective international effort, the Moon is about to be studied like never before. The structure found beneath the far side's surface could very well be the focal point of future missions, and these collaborations may pave the way for a new era of discovery. What could the future of lunar exploration hold? And how will international collaboration change the way we understand the Moon's hidden structure? The Moon's geological history. While the possibility of ancient civilizations or extraterrestrial artifacts on the Moon is an intriguing prospect, there is still much to learn about the Moon's geological history. Understanding the Moon's past is crucial to interpreting the strange anomaly detected by the James Webb Space Telescope. The Moon is thought to have formed around 4.5 billion years ago, shortly after the formation of the solar system. It is widely believed that the Moon was created when a Mars-sized body collided with Earth, sending debris into space that eventually coalesced into the Moon. Over the course of billions of years, the Moon has experienced violent impacts, volcanic activity, and the gradual cooling of its interior. The far side of the Moon, however, has a history that differs from the near side. Due to the lack of oceanic plates and tectonic movement, the Moon's surface has remained largely unchanged for millions of years. This means that features on the far side, like the massive structure detected by JWST, could be remnants of ancient events, possibly a giant impact, volcanic eruption, or another cataclysmic event. The structure's unusual characteristics suggest that it may have been formed by processes different from those seen elsewhere on the Moon. For instance, the high density of the structure may indicate that it is a result of an ancient cosmic collision, or it could be the remnants of a large-scale volcanic eruption that left behind a complex underground feature. Scientists will need to study lunar samples, particularly from the far side, to understand the full scope of these geological forces. In addition, the Moon's lack of atmosphere means that any features or structures that formed on the surface have been preserved for billions of years. This makes the Moon an incredible time capsule, capable of providing crucial insight into the early history of our solar system. While theories about alien bases or lunar civilizations continue to capture the imagination, it's important to consider that the structure might be entirely natural in origin. The study of the Moon's geology is the key to unlocking these mysteries, and future lunar missions will likely focus on analyzing the composition and age of the materials surrounding this structure. Could the strange structure be the result of ancient geological processes? What more can we learn from the Moon's geological history? The gateway to understanding our solar system. The exploration of the Moon has always been about more than just understanding our nearest celestial neighbor. For centuries, the Moon has been a stepping stone in humanity's quest to explore the cosmos, and future lunar missions will likely hold the key to understanding not only the Moon, but also the broader history of our solar system. The Moon is the perfect place to conduct scientific experiments that are not possible on Earth. Its low gravity, lack of atmosphere, and ancient geological history make it an ideal location for studying the effects of space radiation, the history of our solar system, and the potential for future human colonization of other celestial bodies. One of the primary goals of lunar exploration is to establish a permanent human presence on the Moon. NASA's Artemis program aims to do just that, laying the groundwork for future manned missions to Mars and beyond. The technologies and knowledge gained from establishing a base on the Moon will be essential for human survival in space, as the Moon offers a testing ground for the challenges of living in space for extended periods of time. Additionally, lunar missions will provide critical information about the resources available on the Moon. This includes potential water ice deposits in permanently shadowed craters, which could be used to support future lunar bases. Understanding these resources is crucial for establishing a sustainable human presence on the Moon, and perhaps even using it as a stepping stone for interplanetary travel. While the focus has often been on Mars as the next target for human exploration, the Moon remains the ideal location for laying the foundation for interplanetary colonization. The discovery of a colossal structure on the far side of the Moon only adds to its allure as a critical site for scientific discovery. As we continue to explore the Moon, new mysteries will inevitably surface, and future missions will likely uncover even more astonishing findings. As we establish a permanent presence on the Moon, what new scientific breakthroughs await, and what will we learn about the Moon's potential as a stepping stone to the stars? The role of technology in unlocking the Moon's secrets. One of the most exciting aspects of modern lunar exploration is the role of technology in unlocking the secrets of the Moon. From the infrared imaging capabilities of the James Webb Space Telescope to the advanced rovers and landers being developed by space agencies around the world, technology is driving the exploration of the Moon like never before. The James Webb Space Telescope is a prime example of how cutting-edge technology can reveal the unseen. Its infrared vision has enabled it to peer through the dust and shadow of the Moon's surface, detecting objects that are invisible to the human eye. This is just one example of how space technology is evolving to explore and map the Moon in ways that were once impossible. In addition to the JWST, other missions are relying on advanced robotics and remote sensing technologies to explore the far side of the Moon. The Chang'e 4 mission's successful landing and deployment of the Yutu-2 rover has already provided valuable insights into the Moon's surface. These rovers are equipped with a range of tools, including cameras, spectrometers, and drills, that allow them to study the composition of lunar soil and rocks. The next generation of lunar rovers and landers will be even more advanced, with the ability to drill deeper into the Moon's surface to collect samples from the far side. By analyzing these samples, scientists will gain insights into the Moon's formation and uncover hidden geological features that may hold the key to understanding the structure beneath the surface. As technology continues to advance, the potential for uncovering more secrets about the Moon grows exponentially. The use of artificial intelligence, autonomous exploration, and real-time data analysis will all play key roles in the future of lunar exploration, ensuring that the Moon's mysteries continue to be unraveled. The Moon's mysteries are far from over, and with each new discovery, we inch closer to understanding its true nature. As technology advances and international collaboration grows, the far side of the Moon could become the focal point of a new era of lunar exploration. Stay tuned for more updates, and let us know what you think about the Moon's hidden structure in the comments below.